Rentvine family, how we doing? How we feeling? Today we got another video of Rentvine Academy, and we are going to be going over internal maintenance. So if you have a specific internal maintenance technician where you need to track their clock in and clock out times, have it automate into the billing section with a specific price book where you're tracking those materials and those labors and those hours worked, and as well as have an internal maintenance tech log into a specific portal and kind of submit all this information, we have that ability. So let's say this work order came in from the tenant portal and we needed to assign it to an internal maintenance tech. Now you have the option to do so, one or the other, external or internal, and then I can select my internal maintenance tech and then click update. Now you're going to see you can have full control of their scheduling for the work order, and then this labor and materials section populated as well. So you could track the specific labor and materials for this work order. And this information is going to pull from this price book. So this price book, you're going to see we have the materials where you could have the purchase price. And if you want to mark it up to your owners, you could do that as well. And then as well as tracking the labor types. And this is going to be what they're getting paid for that hourly rate. Please note that before submitting a work order being completed in the technician portal, they are going to need to add some of this information, but you guys could always go ahead and make sure everything is correct and looks good before creating an invoice. So as you can see, you guys could modify anything you guys see here on your guys' end with the labor and materials. Start and end times, maybe it was a duration only. They only work 60 minutes. Go ahead, we could get that added as needed. And then let's say everything is good. Let's say the work order is completed, everything is done, and we want to change that status to close. We could go ahead and do that. And then now on the property management end, we could create that invoice. So I could click green actions, click create invoice, just add that invoice or reference number, make sure the line items look correct, add additional ones if needed. And then from there, I could create that invoice if needed. Then that's going to populate that invoice to be an unprocessed invoice, and it's going to go ahead and collect those itemized charges for the hours worked based off the labor type that was selected and calculate that dollar amount, and then also auto calculate the materials spent. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please contact Rentvine support, and we're always here to help.